Hi, I'm Simon Wickenden,
Hi, and I'm Martin Guthrie.
and once again we're back to talk about Oracle licensing.
So what's the topic today then, Simon?
Topic today is term.
Term?
Yeah.
Is it a yearly term or?
Well, weirdly, yes. Term's very, very easy one. It's literally how long the license is for, basically.
Okay, so you can buy a product. I'm used to buying perpetual licenses, so never ending.
Perpetual obviously is forever. However, pretty much all Oracle software can also be bought on a 1 to 5 year term basis.
Okay, why would a customer want to do that?
So you're doing a migration or you've got an application that you're going to be running for a specific number of years, say 3, you can buy a term license that will just cover that usage period, and then it's slightly cheaper.
Okay, what, cheaper to buy the license?
Correct. So basically, if you buy a 1 year term, it's about 20% of the cost of a standard license or a perpetual license. If you buy a 2 year term, it's about 35%. 3 years is 50%, 60% for 4, and 65% for 5. So it's slightly cheaper. I know where you were going though. Support isn't cheaper. Support is based on the discount level that you got on the term license, but it's paid as 22% of what the perpetual license would have cost.
So I know that Oracle software, whatever you pay for the software, you pay 22% per annum for support.
Correct.
So what you're saying is it's not, if a license is 1 year term at 20% of the original perpetual, it's not 22% of that.
No.
You're saying it's 22% of the full price full-blown software.
It's 22% of the same discount level that you got on the term, but that discount is applied to what the perpetual license would have cost with that discount level before it's turned into 22% for support.
Okay, so I'm going to do some quick maths here. So if a 1 year term is 20% of the full license, the support's 22%, and actually that first year support is actually more expensive than the license.
Yes.
Okay. So going forward, then actually it's not cheaper to buy and renew a term license all the time. It just gives you a short-term opportunity to use the software.
Absolutely. This is not designed as a way of building subscription licensing. It could be used for that, but it'd be a very expensive way to do it.
So I've got a question for you. So if a customer bought a 2 year term license and they bought it with 2 years of support, what happens at the end of that 2 years?
The license just disappears in a puff of smoke, and that's it. There is no renewal capabilities at the end of 2 years. It's just gone.
So we bought it for 2 years, it's here, it's gone. Whereas with a perpetual license, the right to use the software is always there. You just need to carry on paying for support, I guess.
Correct.
Okay.
However, one thing to bear in mind is if the idea has changed, if your customer or you bought the term license for 2 years, and 6 months in you realise that license is going to be needed forever, you haven't thrown your money away. You can actually convert that license into a perpetual license.
Okay, so I guess you'd need the support of, say, maybe Arrow and working with the Oracle representative, that account to actually trade in the value of
Absolutely.
what you've got left and actually put it towards a new license.
And that is absolutely how it works. We trade in the existing license against a new license through the standard migration process, and out will pop a perpetual license at the end.
Now that you say migrations, I know migrations can be complicated. Is that something that we can take the pain out of?
Absolutely. Just need to talk to the guys in the quote and config team, and they can just make it all happen for you.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you.
Weirdly, that is pretty much all we have to say about term. It's one of the easier topics to talk about. So I think that's probably all we're going to do on this video.
Yeah, so we've covered products, we've covered metric, now we've covered term. What's the next video going to be?
Level.
Level.
But the interesting thing about Level is for all our ISV partners, that's where all the ISV information falls in as well. Because Level is all about restrictions, but we'll cover that.
Okay, fantastic.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
So, if you can see the notes at the bottom of this video, there'll be information about term itself and also an opportunity for our Mission Red Arrow partners to actually click through and register your points watching this video today. Thank you.
Thank you.